Are you tired of fighting with imprecise cuts or a cluttered workbench? Today, we're counting down 20 genius woodworking tools you can grab on Amazon right now. We've found everything from game-changing Japanese pull saws and clever corner clamps to precision layout gauges that make complex joinery a total breeze. Whether you're a weekend hobbyist or a seasoned pro, these smart, budget-friendly upgrades are designed to save you time and seriously level up your craft. You won't believe how much easier your next project gets with tool number 5. Let's dive into the list. Tired of fighting uneven boards, sticky doors, or rough joists that slow your work down? The Wen electric hand planer is a must-have for fast, precise smoothing and fitting. Powered by a 6-ampere motor delivering up to 34,000 cuts per minute, featuring 16 positive depth stops in 1/128 increments up to 1/8 inch, dust collection on either side, a kickstand, rabbiting guide, parallel fence, and V-shaped groove. It is used for smoothing wood, fixing doors, flush boards, rabbets, and making clean, straight cuts. Clean, controlled table saw cuts are not optional when safety and accuracy matter. The JessEm Clear Cut TS stock guides deliver precision table saw stock control with roller bearings for safer, cleaner, and accurate cuts. An optimized roller design steers stock toward the fence, while spring-loaded arms ensure better surface contact. With effortless setup, premium materials, aluminum and anodized one-way wheel bearings, and prioritizing safety, accuracy, and quality, it is used to guide stock for stable, precise table saw cuts. Great carving starts with tools that stay sharp, feel right, and hold up to real work. The Nakyma wood carving kit delivers a 12-piece wood carving set with canvas case, featuring sharp CRV60 steel blades quenched for durability. With exquisite craftsmanship, white ash handles, and a shock-absorbing nylon hammer, it is used for reliefs, figurines, signs, bowls, spoons, and beginner to professional wood carving projects. When speed, precision, and convenience matter, a reliable cordless nailer is essential. The MtiolHig brad nailer is compatible with a DeWalt 20-volt battery and works as a 2-in-1 electric nail gun and staple gun. This 18-gauge nail gun battery-powered tool includes 1,000 nails for wood carpentry. With a user-friendly and ergonomic design, LED lights, tool-free jam release, 2 nailing modes, adjustable nail depth, and advanced safety features, it is used for woodworking and upholstery tasks. Accurate layout work starts with a square you can trust every time. The ViewReal Carpenter Square is a 3D multi-angle layout measuring ruler with an upgraded pin pivot design for secure storage. Built from durable aluminum alloy construction, it features precision, laser-etched markings, and versatile measuring and marking. Compact and portable, this Woodworking Square's compact woodworking tool is used for marking precise lines and angles in woodworking, engineering, and construction projects. Strong, accurate joints are the foundation of quality woodworking. The Milescraft Joint Master is a compact jig that delivers big results, adapting easily for edge, corner, and surface joints. Its all-metal construction prevents flex for consistent strength. With 3 drill blocks for 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and 3/8 inch dowels, built-in scales, edge stops, spacer blocks, and a self-clamping design, it is used to create precise, professional-quality dowel joints in woodworking projects. Flooring jobs move faster when cuts are clean, quiet, and dust-free. The Nlbfou flooring cutter is an 18-inch cutter that cuts vinyl plank, laminate, siding, rubber floor, VCT, LVT, SPC, PVC, LVP, and WPC with ease. It features a sharp 2.2mm high-speed steel blade, precise 45 degrees, 30 degree, 22.5 degrees, and 15 degrees angle cuts, a 2-position aluminum fence, and a lightweight 20-pound design. It is used for quick, accurate, no-electricity flooring cuts anytime. Clean edge banding is what separates a rough panel from a finished piece. The Ruitool edge banding trimmer is a must-have with sharp stainless steel blades and an ergonomic grip for precise control. Its versatile 3-in-1 trimming handles straight, curved, and chamfered edges with integrated R1.5 and R2 grooves. Suitable for veneer, PVC, and ABS, it is used to trim edge bands cleanly and smoothly for a professional-grade finish on woodworking projects. Accurate layout starts with finding the true center, fast and without guesswork. The Milescraft Center Finder is a center scriber and offset measuring and marking tool for woodworking that quickly marks center lines and offsets. It works on boards up to 2.5 inches thick, with offset notches in 1/16 inch increments and a metric option. Featuring a built-in rare earth magnet, it is used for shelving, cabinetry, door casing, window trim, and precise woodworking layout tasks. When every ounce matters, a strong and reliable axe becomes essential. The Wrango Tools titanium axe features 18-inch and 11.5-inch wood hickory handles, a tomahawk axe hammer end, and a 2-piece slip-fit design with a blade sheath. Crafted from titanium, it is lightweight and portable yet strong and durable. With a 4.5-inch bearded blade, factory-sharpened edge, and dual handle options, it is used for camping, survival, chopping wood, and outdoor adventures. Strong, lasting bonds are essential for every woodworking project. Boncart Super Strong Wood Glue is an 8.45 fluid-ounce clear, waterproof adhesive for heavy-duty woodworking and furniture assembly. With strong adhesion and dries clear, it ensures seamless, durable bonding on hardwoods, softwoods, and composites. Quick setting with 20 to 30 minutes of clamping and full cure in 24 hours, it is used for crafts, DIY projects, furniture assembly, and wood repairs, safe for indoor and outdoor use. Precision and versatility make every woodworking project smoother and more professional. The Shengbenhao wood carving bits are a 6-piece wood carving drill bit set with 1/8-inch shank rotary tool bits for DIY woodworking carving, engraving, grinding, drilling, and micro-sculpture. Made of high-speed steel, they deliver sharp, durable performance. Compatible with Dremel rotary tools, they are used for detailed carving, deep grooves, V-slots, curved patterns, and a wide range of woodworking crafts. Precise, clean cuts make all the difference in woodworking. The Metabo HPT compound miter saw is a 15-ampere power saw with exact cut shadow line, single bevel, 0 to 45 degree, and a 40T TCT miter saw blade. Its lightweight design at 24 pounds ensures portability, while precision miter angles and a user-friendly vice clamping system provide accuracy and safety. It is used for cutting wood at exact angles for furniture, trim, and general carpentry projects. Smooth finishes are essential for professional-looking woodworking projects. The Narbell Orbital sander is a 14,000 RPM random orbit sander tool with 6 variable speeds, a 5-inch electric palm sander kit, a dust bag, and 15-piece sandpapers for woodworking and sanding. Its 360-watt motor, ergonomic handle, and efficient dust system provide power, comfort, and cleanliness. It is used for sanding, polishing, paint or varnish removal, and achieving smooth, precise surfaces on wood and other materials. Precision and efficiency make every DIY project faster and cleaner. The APORO cutting wheels are diamond metal wood cutting wheels and drill cutting discs with 1/8-inch shanks, plus resin cut-off wheels with mandrels for wood, metal, and DIY crafts. Compatible with the Dremel rotary tool, they save money and time while delivering smooth, efficient cuts. They are used for cutting, grooving, trimming, sawing, carving, and sharpening on wood, metal, plastic, and ceramics. Handling large panels can be tough without the right tool. The Kreg panel carrier makes it effortless to easily carry plywood boards and large panels with an ergonomic grip. Designed for woodworking tools and accessories, it carries up to 100 pounds, holds full 4x8 sheets up to 3/4 inch thick, and prevents strain. It is used for moving plywood, MDF, and other large panels safely and efficiently in woodworking and carpentry projects. Accurate angle measurement is essential for precise woodworking and design. The Bpopo angle protractor is a precision 0° to 180° angle finder for marking angles, a straight line scribe, and woodworking angle measuring tools. With an adjustable protractor arm, laser-etched markings, and an included ruler, it ensures stability and accuracy. Made from rust-resistant stainless steel, it is used for setting bevels, drawing radial lines, measuring angles, and multi-purpose tasks in woodworking, engineering, crafting, and design projects. Shaping wood accurately requires the right tools in hand. The Grebstk wood rasp file set is a rubber grip wood course cut rasp 3-piece set, including round, half-round, and flat file rasp, each 12 inches long. Made of premium heat-treated high-carbon steel with coarse teeth, it offers durability and heat resistance. With an ergonomic rubber handle, it is used for removing, refining, reshaping, and scraping wood in all woodworking projects. The Kata Painter's Pyramid Stands are a 36-piece cabinet doors, risers, and painting set of mini cones tripods for canvas support and pouring. With minimal contact painting, they allow paint or stain on all sides without sticking. Stackable, reusable, and lockable, they are used for cabinet doors, furniture staining, canvas support, epoxy acrylic pouring, and various DIY art projects. Keep your sanding tools performing like new with the Powertec Abrasive Cleaning Stick. Designed for sanding belts and discs, 8.5 inches, and made from a natural rubber eraser, it removes sawdust, pitch, gum, glue, and other residue without damaging the grit. Easy to use while the sander runs, it extends the life of sanding equipment. It is used for cleaning belts, disc sanders, drum sanders, skateboard grip tape, and rubber-soled shoes. That wraps up our list of the 20 most innovative woodworking tools currently on Amazon. Hopefully you found a new favorite to add to your toolbox. You can find links to all the products mentioned today in the description below to check the latest prices. If this helped you find your next workshop upgrade, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tool reviews and DIY tips. I'd love to hear which of these tools is your favorite, so let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy building!